Welcome. So today I'm gonna show you how to manage the automatic ear detection function on your AirPods. So we have to go to the settings, click on the Bluetooth. Sorry, it's Wi-Fi. Click on the Bluetooth again, and as you can see, our AirPods are not connected. So open the case. Okay, and now right, they are connected. So click on this icon, and as you can see, here is our option, the auto air detection, and it transfers the audio route from connected devices to the AirPods when they are placed in our ears. So if you click on this marker, you are going to turn it off, and click again just to turn it on. And yeah, this is how it looks on the AirPods 2nd generation and iPhone. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.